Alright, look.
Bro, this nigga.
We walked by. We walked by.
I get
She
it.
ain't gave us the cup, right?
This nigga trying to hold. Stop playing. Get this on there. Get this on there.
She tell us stop playing.
Stop playing. You know what I'm talking about?
Okay, look.
Yeah.
So this is what happened. The nigga walked up, right? They gave us like a little sample cup, right? So I'm like, nah, bro, that shit expensive. That shit, it was like $6, right? So I'm like, nah, $6 a cup. $6 a cup is crazy. I'm not, but I got fruit at the house. I got watermelon, whole, I got all type of fruit, grapefruits, all type of shit, right? So the nigga, he ringed up his drink. He was like, you nigga, the smoothie, right? Being extra. So the shit rung up. And the shit was like $9 and something, bro, for a sorry ass smoothie, bro. Beverage head ass. And then the nigga, alright, moral of the story, right? Nigga, they finna listen to this story, bro. They finna listen to this shit. This is what happened. This is what happened.
I thought it was 9. They only gave a nigga 10 back. Man, they done scammed the whole. Ain't gonna lie.
Bro, what the
Mangoes
fuck?
be busting, bro. Y'all tweaking.
Mangoes do be busting, but I got fruit at home, bro. I got a lot of fruit at home right now. Wow. Calling, balling, yeah. I heard these niggas out here stalling. More peace in the morning. I need that dough where I come from, ain't never gone yet. Hey man, I'm back. I'm saying I'm finna go get my oil changed. Well, I'm finna go get my oil filter and some oil and go change my oil. And I'm bringing y'all along. Cause I've been, you know what I'm saying, I've been out the way. I've been not making videos and shit. But that's only cause I only want to come for the best content. I don't want to just come with no little mediocre content. But I'm back with it, man. Back with the content. Back on the bullshit, you know what I'm saying? It's up. Up there, stuck there. Alright, so man, we got the oil that on the car. And, you know what I'm saying? We went to the deli. Got a, you know what I'm saying, nice greasy slice of pizza. I'm finna see what that bitch do. Show y'all what that bitch do. That bitch tastes like Chuck E. Cheese. That bitch busting. Ain't even got no bell. I looked to check. I'm just straight pizza man. This bitch busting. Alright. Next scene. Alright, we in the shop. Car in the air. And we just let it drain. Finna let it down. And then put some new oil in the filter. I need to wash my car. I'm talking about car all extra dusty and shit. Need to wash it, clean out the inside. Alright. Back at it again, you know what I'm saying? Back at it again with some canes, you know what I'm saying? This shit fresh, I can tell. Hot fresh. Let go. I'm not gonna do too much talking. You know what I'm saying? It's hot too. Hot as fuck. Oh. Hot sauce. I don't know. Hot sauce with the Last time I came, I was lit, or getting lit, or whatever you want to call it. The same canes right here. I was lit, getting ready to go to a party a couple years ago, type shit. And look how life changed, you know what I'm saying? A little bit eating cane for the YouTube. This right here busting. Oh, hot some. Hit that chicken up with that hot sauce. Get in on that, get in on that, get in on that. See that bar right there? Yeah, go ahead, pull with it, pull with it. I'm saying you can even bite it with the toe. Bite it with the toe. I'm sure how to do it. Oh, I can dip that bitch in the ketchup. You want to buy with ketchup, hot sauce, and shit on? Ketchup bite. Drop it shit. Fucking with the canes, you know? I got a bite of chicken limb. Or 2 bites. That's how you do it, man. And we're out.